Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very advanced nail clipper. The brand name is SZQHT. It's supposed to be a clipper for thick nails. There's also some descriptions. It's supposed to have an ultra wide jaw opening, also cutting very wide, very sharp, so it's suitable for men and women, and especially for people who are struggling with cutting their nails because they are a little bit harder and thicker than average. And so I think I'm also a little bit in this group. Also my nails are growing really fast and it's a hassle to cut my nails. So I've seen already a lot of different nail clippers. Some are really good, some really bad, some are good just for a short time, some are lasting a little bit longer. So I'm really excited to see what this thing can do for me also on the long run. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how to use it. So here's the whole packaging. So let's open, see what we get. Comes in this nice can. Has even some protection bag. I think we can use that nicely for travel to protect a little bit of other stuff. There's also a nail file included. Of course, we have to remove the protection. So let's see. Yeah, I think it has a decent sharpness and not too sharp, not too fine. I mean, it's a pretty fine thing and still has quite some grip. I think I love this thing here. Really good. Very convenient to have this extra. And now let's see this nail clipper. We can just open like that. You can see how wide we can open that. Yeah, you have to be really careful because this thing seems to be super sharp. I can already tell from just touching it, and we just close it like that. And it has also this spring which you can put to the front. Just squeeze it and it will come back. Like in this position it won't come back. So that's the idea here, to put it in front and have it like that. And the cutting is really wide, I can tell you. I mean, I cannot cut the whole thumb in one, but it would also not be good because it has some bending. So I would say we have to cut it in 2 pieces or maybe even 3. Sometimes I do it in 3. So let's try this. Okay, cuts really nice. There's no loud cracking, something like that. The nail is not flying away because it has this sharp cutting. And cutting also in the middle, and everything went really well. I mean, it doesn't have the perfect shape, but I can help here a little bit with this nail file. So this thing was really good, absolutely perfect. I've been cutting almost a little bit too close, but it didn't hurt, didn't cause any bleeding, no, nothing, absolutely no problem. So at least at the moment, everything looks really, really good. Okay, so I finished my fingernails and also my toenails, and everything has been working really awesome. But here the details, I've always been thinking that if I buy something which has a wide opening, not wide like this, but wide to the side, I could really cut just like in once, and that's definitely not going to work because it has this bending. And if you would just cut like this, the whole thing in once, it would cause a huge stress on the nail. So usually you are still cutting piece by piece by piece, but it's still much more comfortable and we have much more power. Also because of the long leverage here, we don't have to push very hard. We can easily squeeze it no matter how hard the nails are. That's really good. And it cuts really sharp. That's one thing which I've really noticed. So after cutting all my nails, I didn't have to use the file. By the way, the file is really a little bit aggressive, at least at the moment. Maybe it will wear down a little bit and also be comfortable for my hands. But at the moment, it's perfect for my toenails. For the feet, it's absolutely perfect because it's so aggressive. But for the fingernails here, it's a little bit too much at the moment, I would say. But actually it's not needed because this is cutting so sharp. With most of the nail clippers I had to sand this off here a little bit, use the nail file and do a lot of corrections because there were a couple of sharp edges everywhere, and that's not happening, at least not at the moment. So it's really nice And especially for the feet, it has been cutting really nice. I mean, for the fingers, it's usually not so much of a problem, but for the feet, it was usually a problem. And with this large opening, it's definitely much better. That's definitely a huge advantage. I've been cutting much easier than before. What I've been hoping a little bit, that with the wide opening, again, wide to the side, it would keep the clippings so they wouldn't fly to the side and go everywhere, but unfortunately it's not going to happen. It's not like the ones which keep all the clippings. I don't know if this even would work. Definitely no advantage here regarding keeping the clippings here in the back. Some stay here, some go to the side or even fly away. But what's a huge advantage is, I haven't been aware of that before I bought it, that the wide opening, I mean wide open like that, it's much easier to clean. So you can use a paper towel, something like that, to clean also the inside. Something which is absolutely not possible here with these normal regular nail clippers. Usually they accumulate a lot of dirt in the back, not only from the nails but also from the skin and other stuff, so it can get a little bit nasty in the back. So that's not a problem here. You can easily clean everything, especially so if you want to use it like as a couple or for the whole family. Huge advantage here. So overall, I would say I'm really happy with it. So definitely the best nail clipper I've ever had. It is not perfect, but I guess there is no absolute perfect nail clipper, but I would say it's pretty close. Absolutely amazing, at least so far. If you want to know about my long-term experience, then don't hesitate to ask me down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.